RAWM HUB new function, X-bowling mode. Firstly, let's talk about mouse return rate. Mouse return rate is frequency of data updates per second. Usually, there are 4 options 1 to 5 to 50500 1000Z. For example, mouse return rate is 125 Hz means that the mouse control unit MCU sends data to the computer every 8 milliseconds. 500 Hz is every 2 milliseconds. The return rate is an important mouse performance parameter to gamers. Theoretically speaking, high return rate means better performance of the mouse. For the gamer pursuit of the ultimate experience is also more practical significance. However, high return rate also means higher requirements for computer configuration. If the computer configuration is low and at the same time the mouse return rate is set high, it will cause the mouse to drop frames. Because high return rate will put a certain burden on the CPU, many gamers have encountered such an awkward situation. Computer configuration is not enough to support high return rate, but want to realize precise positioning in the game. At this time, most mouses on the market are fixed return rate settings make it difficult to balance the allocation of resources between the peripheral and the gaming system. Many people use laptops to play games, like PUBG and CS2, whose take up a lot of computer power and also highly dependent on accurate positioning. The high return rate undoubtedly becomes the key factor of the best gaming experience for players. However, not all gamers' computers are able to transfer stably with 2K or 4000 return rate. Now we can use our RAWM X-bowling mode. Set the most suitable return rate for your computer to use. For example, if you are not satisfied with 8K, we can set 6.7K, 5.5K, 4K and so on. Choose an appropriate return rate to achieve an optimal using experience. It also solves the problem 8K receiver is excess performance. With a 1000 receiver, the return rate can be any adjusted from 50 to 1000 Hz. With X-bowling mode, 8000 receiver supports the return rate can be any adjusted from 50 to 8000 Hz. In X-bowling mode, it is entirely possible to set the return rate according to your configuration needs. The X-bowling mode of the RAWM Hub is an innovative feature. It makes return rate adjustment more flexible and precise, bringing unprecedented convenience and experience to gamers.